This is Michael.
And Stefan from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
In today's video, we're going to tell you about a new addition to the homestead.
But first, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos.
That being said, let's tell you about the new addition to the homestead. So if you've watched any of our videos from a while back, you'll know that we had a dog called Jet. He was a pretty good dog. He liked following us around. He liked playing. And he also liked being on camera because he was in many of our old videos. But unfortunately, he died. So we started looking for a new dog.
And that's where we got our next dog, Halo. Some of our neighbors gave it to us after they found it on the road. So we got it. Unfortunately, that dog was really gun shy. So
Michael, what's in
Okay.
So we didn't keep it that long. So then we started looking for another dog that wasn't gun shy.
So recently, we got a new dog who is not gun shy. His name is Alpha. He's a mixed breed puppy. We just got him, so he's not quite used to the homestead life. But he does like following us around to do animals, chores, things like that. He likes the other animals, such as the cats and the goats, but we're not quite sure they like him. Hopefully, he will be in many more videos, and he'll be a welcome addition to the homestead.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video.
If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment.
Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos.
This is Michael
And Stefan from Sniping Rhino Ranch, signing off.